Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to skip to the previous or to the next song using your Beats Solo 4. So let's say, for instance, if you'd like to skip to the next song and if you'd like to go to the back to the previous song, it's pretty simple using your Beats Solo 4. So all you have to do is locate the left ear cup on your headphones. So the left ear cup is the one that has headphone jack. So here it is. So all you have to do is get to this part, and then if you'd like to go to the next song, all you have to do is simply double tap the B button and that will go to the next song. And if you'd like to go to the previous song, you have to triple tap on this, or rather triple press on this particular button. So let me just show you. So this is the song. I want to go to the next song. All I have to do is just double press on this button. So double press, and that will go to the next song. Now let's say, for instance, if you like to go back to the previous song, all you have to do is triple press on this button. So triple press to go to the previous song. So let me try that one more time. And you'll see it's going to the previous song, sorry. So to go to the next song, double tap. Then to go to the previous song, triple tap. And there you go. So that's basically it on how to skip to the next song or to go to the previous song using your Beats Solo 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.